So I bought the OnePlus Nord 5 and I'm not going to waste your time by unboxing this, because in this video we are going to primarily do the battery and camera test of the OnePlus Nord 5. I'm going to use this phone for a day and I will tell you all the things which I'm going to notice, the things which I'm going to like, dislike. Well, just in case if you guys want to see the unboxing experience, then I have made a dedicated shorts for that. You can watch that after watching this one. I will give the link in the description box. But right now let's watch this video, the real day in the life with the OnePlus Nord 5. So I've charged the phone to 100% as you guys can see, and now I have to do the basic setups and install some important apps. So after the setup and using the phone for a while, I will come back to you in just a bit. So we get 229 storage free out of the box. As you can see right now, I haven't installed any apps, although I have definitely separated the bloatwares, and the amount of bloatwares we get is unreal. I still remember that in earlier OnePlus phones we used to get only 2-3 bloatwares, but now it's this many, so that's sad. Well guys, before going out, I want to talk about the build quality as well. And the build quality is nice, but this phone is big, like very big. And by looking at the wallpaper and the initial setup, I know, I mean, from where the inspiration is coming. And also when I saw this new key button instead of the alert slider which we used to get in the previous models, I mean, this is the OnePlus Nord 4 and here this alert slider is like much more convincing. I'm not still used to this key button, but I mean, if you long press, then it will go to vibrate and then silent and then to ring mode, just like that. But talking about the build quality, then this time you will get glass sandwich with plastic frames as compared to full metal body of the OnePlus Nord 4. This is kind of downgrade, but there are other upgrades as well which we talk as we move ahead in this video. Well, one good thing about the design is that they have given us a matte finish instead of glossy, so definitely I like the design. And also OnePlus logo feels embedded. And right now I am having chai and biscuit and it's 1:41 p.m. and I don't know, instead of having my lunch, I am having chai and biscuit with my mom. Okay, so the good thing about the front camera is that it can shoot in 4K, not just 4K but 4K 60 FPS also. This is 4K 60 FPS, and also the audio which you are listening is coming from the OnePlus Nord 5. In front camera we have 0.8x, 1x as well as 2x. So you will get 3 options and you can switch to these 3 different focal lengths while recording. So that's also nice. Well, talking about the display, then it comes with a 6.83-inch AMOLED panel and it has a 144Hz high refresh rate, HDR10 Plus certified, and you will also get Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection on the front, which is nice. And the display is quite bright with 1400 nits peak brightness. I am in direct sunlight and I have no problems reading the on-screen content. So in my first impressions, the display is looking good. And talking about that high refresh rate, then I went to the display settings and it was auto select. So I applied 144Hz all the time, and now it's interesting to see the battery. Right now I'm at 94%. I have downloaded so many apps. I have inserted my SIM card in it. So I have used the phone for 1.5 hours, mostly YouTube for 1 hour and 15 minutes, and the rest 18 minutes are for like the basic setup. Alright, so this is 4K 30 FPS, and from rear we can shoot at 4K 30 and 60, but not from ultra wide. And in ultra wide we can't even shoot at 1080p 60 fps. In ultra wide we can only shoot at 1080p 30. So that's one thing, but I'm glad that at least in the front camera we have 4K 30, 4K option, like 4K 30 and 4K 60, and the quality seems fine. The photos are somewhere like good, somewhere not so good. I have to go and see on the laptop. So guys, currently I'm in Lucknow at Ambedkar Park and I'm exploring Lucknow with my mom, and I thought that it's not good to sit in one place and shoot videos and film videos when your mom visited your place. So I thought that why not make this day in the life video. So it will be fun. She can explore the place and I can make the video. And talking about camera, then the OnePlus Nord 5 does get warm but not hot, which is fine in this summer. As you can see, it's warm, right? Especially in the month of July. So far the phone seems like the heating thing while using the camera seems fine. And do let me know what you guys think about the video quality. Guys, this is 4K 30 FPS and here's my mom exploring the place. She's so mesmerized by this park and she likes the photo which I clicked for her, so she is happy. ऐसे नहीं, हाँ 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 हाँ। Alright guys, so it's 6:32 a.m. as you can see, and the battery is at 73%. Mobile data is turned on since I'm outside, and if I show you the screen on time, then I got 2 hours and 30 minutes of a screen on time. It's YouTube at top with 1 hour 17 minutes. Camera I used for 23 minutes, which is quite a lot, and 15 minutes of photos, 7 minutes of Chrome. And so far the battery life seems good since it's my first cycle, so this device doesn't know even my usage pattern, and still the first SOT is looking solid. Now at the top, and this is how the whole park looks from the top. It's a very big park, as you guys can see, and there is the main entrance, the gate, and this is how it looks. So update time guys, we are now heading back to our home. It's almost 10 p.m. My mom was doing shopping, but I'm also sorry I couldn't shoot much because I was giving time to my mom, so that's why I sought, or let's say I used the phone for a little amount of time, so I couldn't drain the battery to 0%. I guess it's still above 50%. So we will go next day and we will do gaming test, and I will tell you more about the phone basically. But right now let's reach home first and I will give you more updates. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is 4K 30 from the front camera. That was the previous clip was from the rear camera. Do let me know like what you think about the low light video test of this phone. Okay guys, so I came back home and I used the phone like a little bit of social media and also shared the photos with my mom for obvious reasons, and now she's sleeping. Right now it's 1 a.m. so I'm also about to sleep, but before that I'm shooting this. Quick update about the battery. Right now I'm at 39% and I used the phone today for 22 minutes and yesterday for 4 hours 24 minutes, means total 4 hours and 46 minutes of usage with 39% battery left, and most of the time I was on mobile data. Good morning everyone. Talking about the idle train test, and it was 6% and Wi-Fi was turned on. So the OnePlus Nord 5 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, and the performance here I am getting is definitely very good. I am constantly getting 58 to 62 FPS here in BGMI, and this is the next day afternoon. I am playing this game and I see a little bit, the phone does get warm a little bit around the camera module, but not anything major, and the overall gameplay was very smooth, and the performance and the constant FPS which I got was also good in my first impressions. So guys, it's final update time. It's 2:14 p.m. and the battery is at 3%, and if I show you my final usage, then today I used the phone for 3 hours 2 minutes, in which 1 hour 2 minutes I played BGMI, and previously yesterday it was 4 hours 23 minutes. So total I got 7 hours and 25 minutes of screen on time. Considering camera and BGMI, I guess it's decent, and also like 50 to 60% of the time I was on mobile data. So considering all these things, 7.5 hours of screen on time is very good. And also I am planning to make a full comparison video between the OnePlus Nord 4 and the Nord 5. So if you guys are interested in it, do let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, then you know what to do. Well, I am right now enjoying the rain, if you guys can see. And if you guys want to enjoy more, then you can watch the long-term video of the Nothing Phone 3a. This is also a very solid phone under 25,000 rupees. So if you haven't watched this yet, you can watch the review here. I will see you there. Bye bye. Take care.